Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Sekhukhune United 0.
Kunjalo mfowethu.
Yeah, halalisana Ndlovu uthini Katsheni?
Sihappy simpofana siyabonga ukuthi ucoach noma siqale sangaba nawo umdlandla maqala igame sangakhombisa ukuthi sifuna ukube singena indlela yokukora. We're not causing threats Sekhukhune but amasapha kawenzile were perfect. Sibonga kakhulu coach siyabona ukuthi mhlawumbe in 5 games so sesinayo i-first 11 is the showcase ukuthi siyawina ngayo.
Utheni mhlambe ngomdlalo womthetho namhlanje?
Mthetho was more than the way perfect. He perfected his game. Forward passes, win us balls. Sibonga kakhulu kuNkonyane impela. Wangena uGatsheni babe ne-partnership emnandi lapha na kwi-center mid.
Mhlawumbe kuya phambili ufuna babe badlalise bobabili.
Yes, the problem Mbappe was not in the game today, was not connecting us. The teammate become with us now, number 10, who connect in mid and strikers. So we're having a problem like that. Ikadoro was more defensive than being a striker. So the plan coaches was like to attack with the wingers. So because Mbappe could not connect the ball between the defense and the striker, so we could not play with the wingers.
Yes. But otherwise, brilliant. Fundo Villa.
I don't Barkman.
No, thank you.